Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is ADOBE of Campus is hiring. So we shall quickly see the job details and the eligibility criteria for this company. So the job details, so the role they are hiring, so it is for computer scientist or SDE-2, that is software development engineer 2, and like the core roles they are hiring is for machine learning or generative AI or LLM, that is large language modules engineer, and the experience needed, so it is for experienced graduates with 3 to more than 5 years, so they are eligible to apply. And the salary of the CTC, so it ranges from 38 to 71 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria, so the relevant degree, so the bachelor's or the master's degree in either computer science, AI or ML. So those who has done their post graduation in machine learning or artificial intelligence or any other related tech streams or fields, so they are eligible to apply for this role. So there is no particular percentage criteria, so the minimum passing marks is needed to apply for this role. So this is the eligibility criteria for this role, for this company. So coming to the skills, like as they're hiring for the computer scientist or those who has knowledge on machine learning, so you need to be good in machine learning, and the main thing is that you need to be proficient with Python programming, then machine learning as well as deep learning and NLP, that is natural language processing. And then you need to have knowledge on generative AI, that is experience working with open AI and similar open source or enterprise LLMs, that is large language modules. And the programming proficiency, that you need to be you need to have proven Python skills, and you need to be familiar with the AI or ML tools, and the some of the tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch is needed. And you need to have exposure to various software engineering practices, and like one should tackle the challenges with the innovative solutions. So you need to be a problem solver. So this is the complete tech stack which is needed to apply for this role. So coming to the selection process, so there are 5 different rounds. So the first round, that is initial, is that you need to fill the application form. So once you are shortlisted, you will be invited for the second round, that is telephonic interview, in which your communication skills will be checked. So once you are fit for the role, so you'll be invited for the next round, that is coding rounds. So there will be 2 coding rounds, and we shall discuss each of rounds in detail in the next slides. So the fourth round will be the system design round, and the last will be the director round. So this is the complete 5-step selection process for Adobe. So coming to the first step of selection process, that is application form. So it includes various steps, like first you need to upload your updated resume. So later you just need to enter your information like your personal details and everything, your contact number, your email address. And second step will be my experience, in which you are going to add your experience details, and you are going to mention about your projects and everything. And third will be the application questions, and fourth will be the voluntary disclosure questions, and last step is you are going to review the application form and submit it. So these are the steps included in the application form. So this coming to the interview details, like as discussed, there will be 2 coding rounds. So the coding round 1, so the duration of the coding round, it's 60 minutes, and the complexity of the problem, it ranges from medium, like there will be 2 medium difficult problems, and the topics that are covered, like it will be data structures and algorithms, and coding questions will be on stacks or linked list. So as they're hiring for ML or Python, so it is good that you're going to code it in Python. So you can just use the Python programming to code it. So this was all about the coding round 1. So coming to the coding round 2, so the duration of that, so it will be bit high, like 75 minutes. So the complexity will be more compared to the coding round 1. So there will be medium to difficult level coding questions, and in which it will be like based on array string problems, and then like dynamic programming will be there. and there will be multiple test cases in which you need to clear all the test cases, and later like few technical questions on OOPS concepts, distributed system related questions will be asked. So these are the topics covered in the coding round 2. So coming to the third round, that is system design round. So duration of that, it will be 60 minutes, in which like it will be a technical round. So mixed, it will be coding round followed by the technical. So difficulty level, so medium to difficult, and there will be system design problem followed by the small low level design problem. And the system design problem, it involves like various steps, gathering requirements, and you are going to coming up with the high level diagram, and you are going to design, so database design. So after that, so they are going to give few questions, and they are going to ask you to do it using high level design or low level design, so you should be able to do that. And later there will be few behavioral based questions at the end of the round. So this is the like sections included in the third round, that is system design round. So the last round for Adobe, it will be the director round, in which the duration of the interview, it will be 60 minutes. So in which like it's divided into 30 to 30 minutes, in which the first 30 minutes they'll ask on project discussion, so it will be on project discussion and everything. And the second half, like 30 minutes, it will be on coding problems. So like mostly like 2 to 3 coding problems will be asked. Like this was the coding question which was asked in the interview. Like the first coding question, like the complexity level, it will be medium to difficult. So the DP counting problem, that is dynamic programming counting problem. And the second coding question that was asked, it was bit easy, like binary search tree problem. So these were the two coding questions that was asked in the fourth round, that is director round. So this is the complete selection process for the Adobe. So the link for this company, so it will be provided in the description. You can go through the selection process, everything, and you can prepare on the same. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.